Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. From any screen here, you can either go to home menu, and the home menu is quite, there you go, you see, you can go straight to destination entry. Otherwise, you click on nav and destination entry is at the top. So destination entry, we want postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. P, it's a bit slow. R, it's defaulted to numbers now, 5, 4, can go back to letters, E, A, PR5, 4EA, click OK. You've got destination up there, you've got this thing with a load of arrows, and you've got destination. Click destination. The destination has been set, so you're setting the destination there. Even though you've input it all, you still have to confirm it, and then you click go, like that.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
Now, another great thing, quite often in other cars, you've set your home destination, and you get on the motorway, and you know where you're going from there, and you don't want to listen to instructions anymore, and you want to knock it off. Some you have to go into the menu and search through it and click off. With a Land Rover or Range Rover, all you need to do now is click home, the home menu, and then there, cancel guidance. It's as simple as that. Range Rover and Land Rover products are so good, so simple to use, so well built. Everyone should have them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.